Hello everyone, myself Nikhil Kalekar. Today's Viva topic is constructor overloading in Java. Today's date is 11th May 2023. Now, first upon we are seeing the what is a constructor. So, the constructor in a Java is a block of code similar to the method. It is called when an instance of class is created. At the time of calling constructor, memory for the object is allocated in the memory. A constructor is a special type of the method which is used to initialize the object. Every time an object is created using the new keyword, at least one constructor is called. Now we are seeing a constructor overloading in a Java. In Java, constructor overloading refers to ability to define multiple constructors in a class with a different parameter list. These allow the class to be instantiated using a different combination of arguments. Then constructor overloading can be useful when you want to create an object of a class with different initial values, or when we want to provide different ways to initialize the same object. Constructor overloading can make our code more flexible and easier to use. Strictly speaking, constructor overloading is a somewhat similar to the method overloading. If you want to have different ways of initializing an object, as we do method overloading, when we want a different definitions of a method based on a different parameters. Then we are discussing the important point for to be taken care while doing a constructor overloading. In that sense, first one is a constructor calling must be the first statement of the constructor in a Java. Then second, if we have defined any parameterized constructor, then compiler will not create the default constructor, also known as no argument constructor, by default during the compilation. Third point is that recursive constructor calling is invalid in Java. Now next point we are discussing use of this in constructor overloading. However, we can use this keyword inside the constructor, which can be used to invoke the other constructor of the same class. Thank you.